Hello guys and welcome to Foxtoberfest 2022. Over 800 Fox bodies here. We're gonna try to see them all and there's no way I can do it. So I'm using Sam right here, Dead Riceful on Instagram. He's gonna drive me around with a golf cart. Let's see if we can get them all. Let's go, let's go. Cobra Sam! Cobra Sam!
What's up, baby?
All right, guys, I forgot to film an outro to this video. I hope you liked it. I know that some of the comments I'm gonna get is you missed my car, you didn't get every one, or I didn't like your music or something like that. Those are the ones I typically get. But no, I have a full show video coming next week. It'll be up next Wednesday, the rest of the coverage of the show, but I wanted to go ahead and get this out. So hopefully you guys could find your car there. You know, I know a lot of people look at these event shows to try and see if their car, if they're attended, and I wanted to give you guys basically so you could see all of them, all 726. I'm sure I missed a couple. Sometimes people are standing in the way, but I did try my best to do that. And hopefully you guys liked the video. The show coverage was not as good as I wanted it to be. I literally had so many people to talk to me. It was weird, guys. I mean, I'm just a guy, and like, this is just my garage. Like, I just do this for entertainment. I just do this for fun. I want to kill that cricket right now. But yeah, I just do it for fun. So it was kind of overwhelming. Thank you so much if you came up and talked to me. I really tried my best to spend time talking with everyone that came up. I'm sorry if I missed you. I was also trying to get film coverage, so hopefully that didn't happen too much. Yeah, I guess that's it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. That does help me out a lot. If you're stopping in for the first time and you made it to the end, thanks. Please subscribe, and we'll see you here next time with Gearhead 704. All right. Oh, I'm recording. Hold on. It takes a while to get to the actual Fox bodies. But I do have a full Foxtoberfest video, this main show video coming. Listen to that thing. Really? I gotta film here, bro. Can you be quiet? Oh, Lord. Thank you.